Welcome to day 1580 of What Ships You Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey and sharing my experiences based on 48, almost 49 years of business experience, and simultaneously over a quarter century of that in corporate America, working for some of the coolest corporations on the planet. I have to admit, they were great experiences. And since I always had a side gig, a side hustle, a side business, I approached corporate America, I think, with a very different perspective than a lot of people that I worked with. I had a business owner's mindset, and I think that really helped me in my corporate career. But at some point, I was like, I'm kind of done working for somebody else. I'm just going to keep working on the things for myself. So today, I created 2 pieces of content. For Supersize Your Business, we did paying through the nose, and I was going to use that one filter. It looks like there's tape on it or something, but I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to tape my nose up. I got plenty of nose to pay through the nose already. We talked about the origin of where it comes from. It's a very old expression. It comes from the 9th century Danes charging a tax on the Irish, or in Ireland, when they took over their lands. They charged a tax based on, they counted noses, and everybody with a nose had to pay an excessive tax, and if they didn't, their nose was slit. Now, there isn't really documented proof, because I'm not sure what they did for documentation back then. Probably not much. There's no way to take a picture. I don't know that there's any paintings or proof available that people actually had their nose slit if they didn't pay the tax, but that's what was carried down through history as what happened. So kind of a gruesome practice, which is a lot of the stuff back from the olden days, right? Some things were really horrific, as human beings are still kind of horrible today in a lot of ways. Not in a lot of ways, but in circumstances, in different situations, right? Especially when they have power and control. Topic for another day. So we talked about, what does this mean for your business? Well, it means a lot of different things, right? It means that we can pay for speed. We can pay for things that get things done faster, which is what a lot of paying through the nose or paying extra feels like, right? Whether it's legal or not, if you're paying extra fees or bribes or extortion money, etc., or blackmail, even all those illegal things, usually you're paying for something, paying for speed, right? Or paying for a result that you want to get more quickly. I don't recommend any of that for growing and supersizing our business, right? There's bad ways to do things and good ways to do things, and you decide whether that line in the sand is for you. I think hiring a coach, it may be expensive, but it's a way to pay for speed and to learn the things you need to learn, or hire somebody that's done something that you want to do before, so that they can help you with the process of doing it, etc. That's really powerful for different growth stages of our business. So talked about that. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How can you apply it to your business today and growing your business today? And then for our annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, we were talking about money isn't everything, but ... It's a lot more comfortable with money. Life is a lot more comfortable with money than without. But what we wanted to do, and we talked about probably more than a handful, but a handful of things that money absolutely positively can't buy. Now, like anything else, we can argue either side of that coin, right? We can say money can't buy love. Well, I'm sure people can give us examples where money has bought love in their experience. Money can't buy time. And then people could argue, yeah, but you can hire people to help you do the things you want to do, so can't that buy time? Yeah, that's one way of looking at it, but money can't buy you more time. We all have an unknown, not infinite, finite amount of time here on the planet. And no matter how much money we have, think Steve Jobs, no matter how much money he had, he could not find a cure for his ailments, and he ended up passing away. So as rich as he was, one of the richest men in the world, it didn't matter when it came to his expiration date. He still was going to pass away. And there wasn't any amount of money that was going to change that. So we're sharing in one thing that money can't buy in our life. And that's our action item for today, is think about one thing that money can't buy from you. Now, money might be able to buy it from someone else, but they can't buy it from you. You might say, well, I wouldn't pay any money. There's not any amount of money that would cause me to, or could buy my love. Love, loyalty, compromising your values, whatever it is for you, or experiences and time and energy with it's with my grandkids. There's not any amount of money that I would trade for the time I get to spend with my grandkids, my granddaughters. which we're having a birthday celebration. 7 years for my oldest granddaughter today. All right. I have got a birthday party. So if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Any questions? Hit me up. Any business or, personal development. I probably have a lot of experience in that since we're doing an annual challenge in it. Or offline or online business questions, marketing, manufacturing is my personal favorite and forte. So building and supersizing manufacturing businesses, etc., is one of my favorites. But I've also had experience in I've lost count now how many industries. Before I came online, it was 27 different industries. Now, I don't know, hundreds. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.